How to remove fresh coconut oil stains from clothes. This is the process that you need to follow to remove fresh coconut oil stains from your clothes. 1. Get off excess coconut oil with a towel. Use a towel to help blot out the excess coconut oil. Make sure to use only plain, white towels. The coconut oil will remove dyes from the towels or even from paper towels, especially if the quality is poor. The dye is likely not set into the paper or fabric properly. 2. Apply baking soda. Apply baking soda to the coconut oil stain. Make sure that you sprinkle a generous amount of it. Alternatives to baking soda include cornstarch and arrowroot powder. 3. Let the baking soda sit. Just let the baking soda sit on the coconut oil stain for about 10 minutes. You will notice that it is going to turn brown as it slowly soaks up the coconut oil. 4. More baking soda for bad stains. If the stain is very bad, then you might need to add more baking soda. Should the coconut oil stain turn brown after a couple of minutes, then you also need to add more baking soda to it. Repeat this until it is taking it nearly 10 minutes to turn brown. 5. Scrape it off. Scrape off the baking soda with the use of a sturdy piece of cardboard or a credit card. 6. Wash on hottest possible setting. Place the clothes in the washer and make sure to use the hottest possible setting. The hot water is going to help melt the oil. Need help with other stains? Go to howtoremovestains.com.